Hey friends, this is Izzy. Today I'm actually going to log into my Facebook Ads Manager and show you a A/B test that I ran to compare different ad types for a festival. So this festival gets about 22,000 people. It's very large citywide. It's a 2-day festival. We have 3,500 Facebook likes, and then we also run a Facebook event because you get another 6,800 people that respond to that, and then obviously an even greater reach. And hopefully you checked out my last video about getting more Facebook page likes by having a Facebook event and posting and inviting people to like from that. So definitely check that out. So I'm in my Facebook Ads Manager, and to get to that, you're just going to log into Facebook, click on the top right arrow. It's going to bring down a drop down and click on Manage Ads. So I'm already logged in, I'm within my campaign. I'm not going to worry about ad sets because I have the same target audience, and I'm just looking at the ad designs that I did. And I've tried to name them so you can kind of tell what they are at a glance. So the first one is actually just a generic video that we have. And if I click here, this is what the ad looked like. And if they clicked it, it's just a short generic video that we have. Well, it's actually not that short of a video. It's actually 2 minutes long. The second ad that I did is a Canvas ad, which is a specific type of ad that you can create inside Facebook. And to see this one was a little different. Okay, so I'm going to use this button and see post, Facebook post. Because what it was showing you in that is actually not the whole thing. And while the target audience was the same for everything, the Canvas ad is unique in that it can only be shown to mobile users because they have to interact with it. So again, because I'm on a desktop, it looks a little different, but if they had interacted with it, then this would actually pull up on their phone. So it was very easy to make because Facebook just had me select some pictures and let me put in very short text. So you can kind of see this is what it looked like. This is actually a scroller. And again, this is meant for mobile, and I'm on a desktop, so it's a little bit harder. Here we go. So I just picked a few photos, again, little bits of text that I might use to promote the festival in our area. And of course, I want people to buy tickets. That's my call to action. So that's what that looked like. And then my third ad was Facebook will also let you create a short video using pictures. So you don't have to have any video experience to do this. So I quite liked it. And this is what the ad looked like. Again, I put in a picture. It let me put my logo over top. I am actually going to play this for you because it's only 6 seconds. You can see where I used some of the same pictures as my other ad, and that was it. So only 6 seconds. You have to be pretty quick. But again, I kind of liked it. So those are the 3 ad types that I ran. My budget was $200, but apparently I only spent $106, so I will definitely look into that later. It's showing me results. Estimated ad call is going to be people that might remember seeing it if they were asked about it a few days later. So the bigger numbers, the better. So the video that Facebook made using the pictures and the very short text actually had the best effect. For reach and impressions, it's also saying that the video from the pictures is the best, so FYI. And because it was the best and people liked it more, it made it cheaper per result. Relevant score, you also want the higher number. The max you can get is 10. So personally, I would still like to be this a little higher, but I know it's lower based on my target audience. And if you just have a more specific target audience, you're probably naturally going to get a higher relevant score. So if I would have said, hey, maybe only target people that like shrimp or like festivals, I probably would have done a little bit better. But again, my goal was different because I was just going for brand awareness. I was trying to see who I could reach. Estimated ad recall lift rate is actually about the same as results, except they put it in a percentage. So still showing you that the Shrimp Fest video from pictures was the best one. 3-second video views. The middle one was not a video, so obviously not relevant. Again, my better performing post was the 6-second video made with pictures, but still not bad for the actual video I wanted. However, when you go to video percentage watched, you see that people only watched 3% of my 2-minute video, whereas they probably watched almost half of the 6-second video. And here it has your video average watch time. So obviously cater to your audience. They don't want to watch something very long, so the 6-second quick video from pictures was a great fit. I got 34 link clicks, which is more than the other 2 posts combined, so obviously that's the winner. So based on this information, I do recommend you do that. Again, this was just the 6-second video made with pictures and very short text. So I'm in an existing campaign, and you'll obviously have a lot more information than I'm going to fill out right now because it's going to be different for everybody. So I'm just going to show you how to make that ad really quick. So I'm on the ad on this side. I've kind of skipped all the ad set and campaign information. I'm going to click on Create Ad. Your Facebook page should appear here. If you manage several like I do, you'll get like a little list. Just click on the one you want. If you have an Instagram account connected, you would click on that. Mine's actually just connected to a different Facebook page. You can skip this part, and we want to come down to use templates. So you can even see it's got a little star, new, turn images into videos. This is what we want. So I'm going to use templates, and this is all I did was I clicked on one of these, and I think it was even the first one. So I'm just going to say, hey, use template. You can see it's only got 3 scenes, very short and easy. Background color, I used an image. I highly recommend that because you want people to see something relevant that they can say, oh, I see myself there. So account images, I'll have some that you might have already posted. Otherwise, you can just upload some directly from your computer. Obviously, text overlay, this should be pretty self-explanatory. Text color, I recommend using either just white or black. You just want it to be visible over your picture. And past that, I really wouldn't worry about it too much. And this is the image. You can see when I clicked around on the different scenes, that's the scene that you're editing. So this should be really quick and easy. When you're done, you would just hit use video and run your ad. So I hope this helped. I really recommended this ad. I thought I got good results on that. If you have any other tips or questions, please comment in the links below.